You're listening to Haywaa.com. Here is the latest news.
Sam Altman triggers code red for ChatGPT as rival AI models advance. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has declared a code red status for ChatGPT, indicating a top priority emergency to improve its flagship chatbot. This decision pushes back other projects such as advertising, AI agents for health and shopping, and a personal assistant called Pulse. Key areas of improvement include personalization, speed, reliability, and a broader range of queries. The urgency comes as Google's Gemini model presents competitive challenges, along with concerns about financial pressures on OpenAI.
Dragon Quest creator can't talk about future Chrono Trigger plans, fueling more remake speculation. Yuji Horii, the creator best known for Dragon Quest, recently stirred excitement about potential developments in the Chrono Trigger series. During his live stream, Koso Koso Hoso Kyoku, Horii refrained from commenting on future projects, leading to speculation of a remake. Accompanying him, Kazuhiko Torishima teased that something related to Chrono Trigger might indeed be in progress. Square Enix, celebrating the 30th anniversary, announced various upcoming projects enhancing fan expectations. Star Sand Island is getting a Switch 2 version with quality and performance notes. Star Sand Island, a cozy life simulation game by Seed Lab, is set to be released on Nintendo's Switch 2 console in early 2026. The game will feature both a quality mode and a performance mode, offering players 45 FPS and 60 FPS respectively, both in 1080p for docked and handheld modes. The Kickstarter campaign for Star Sand Island last year successfully garnered over $300,000, indicating significant interest. Players will find a comprehensive building system reminiscent of The Sims 4, adding depth to its gameplay experience. Nothing seeks $5 million from its community, aiming to be IPO ready in 3 years. Nothing is offering its community the opportunity to buy company shares in a $5 million investment round based on a Series C valuation of $1.3 billion beginning December 10th. The company, which raised $8 million in previous community rounds, seeks to strengthen its position in the tech market, led by companies like Apple and Samsung. It secured $200 million in Series C funding from major investors like Tiger Global and GV, and aims to be IPO ready in 3 years. The company is undergoing structural changes, such as spinning off its CMF brand and focusing on AI-driven devices. Rolling Stone's list of the year shows strong affection for a Nintendo mascot. Rolling Stone has named its top 25 games for 2025, with Claire Obscure Expedition 33 taking the top spot, followed by Hades 2. Notably, Donkey Kong surprised many by placing third, outperforming other Nintendo mascots like Mario, whose Mario Kart World ranked lower at number 13. The list features several games available on the Nintendo Switch, highlighting its strong presence in the gaming community. This unexpected ranking creates a shift in the perception of Nintendo's key characters in the gaming industry. Claire Obscure Expedition 33 is Xbox Game Pass's top third-party success in 2025. Claire Obscure Expedition 33 has become the leading third-party game on Xbox Game Pass in 2025, achieving unprecedented success for Sandfall Interactive. Director Guillaume Roche highlighted how the subscription service expanded the game's reach to a broader audience than anticipated. Within the first 3 days of its release across platforms, it sold 500,000 copies and achieved over 5 million sales worldwide. Despite competition, especially from Elder Scrolls Oblivion, it thrived, showcasing Game Pass's role in lowering entry barriers for exploration in turn-based RPGs. AWS enhances custom LLMs with features to simplify model creation. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, has introduced new tools in Amazon Bedrock and Amazon SageMaker AI to simplify the creation and customization of large language models, or LLMs, for enterprise customers, as detailed at the AWS reInvent conference. The changes include serverless model customization in SageMaker, allowing developers to build models without worrying about infrastructure, and a reinforcement fine-tuning feature in Bedrock for automated model customization. Ankur Mehrotra of AWS highlighted advantages for sectors like healthcare, as the tools facilitate model fine-tuning with labeled data. Despite the competition from companies like Anthropic and OpenAI, AWS hopes these customization capabilities will give it an edge in the AI market.
Meta hires Apple design exec Alan Dye to lead a new creative studio in Reality Labs. Alan Dye, who led Apple's user interface team for a decade, is joining Meta to focus on AI for consumer devices. His role involves improving smart glasses and VR headsets, working under CTO Andrew Bosworth. Meta's creative studio in Reality Labs will combine design, fashion, and technology and feature other notable team members like Billy Sorrentino and Pete Bristol. Meta is enhancing its workforce by recruiting from competitors like OpenAI, indicative of its aggressive push in AI development. All the major announcements from AWS's tech event, reInvent 2025. Amazon Web Services reInvent 2025 showcased significant advancements in AI for enterprises, emphasizing customizable AI agents. Keynotes by AWS CEO Matt Garman and Swami Siva Subramanian highlighted AI agents' potential to transform business operations. The events also introduced updates like serverless model customization in SageMaker and the latest AI chip Trainium 3, promising enhanced AI training and integration with NVIDIA. Database savings plans offering up to 35% savings was also announced, responding to long-standing customer requests. Amazon aims to boost its AI coding tool Chrono by offering it free to startups. Amazon aims to promote its AI coding tool Chrono by offering it free to early-stage startups with VC funding from pre-seed to Series B. During the reInvent 2025 conference, AWS CEO Matt Garman revealed that qualified startups can access a free year of Chrono Pro Plus credits for up to 100 users. Geographic restrictions exclude certain regions like France, Germany, Italy, and most of South America from this offer. Applicants must submit their requests by December 31, and selected startups will benefit from Amazon's effort to compete against other AI coding tools. Masha Butcher of Day One Ventures on why every founder should be an influencer. Masha Butcher, founder of Day One Ventures, combines venture capital with hands-on public relations to help companies stand out amid rapid technological advancement. She discusses the need for startup founders to be consistently online and active influencers during an episode of TechCrunch's Equity podcast hosted by Rebecca Bellin. Day One Ventures is notable for funding successful companies like World, Superhuman, and Remote.com, with significant achievements including having 12 portfolio companies reach multi-billion-dollar valuations. Butcher critiques the failures of traditional PR and highlights her unique approach to selecting founders who can navigate this landscape. Android 16 QPR2. Discover what's new as Google shifts to biannual OS releases. Google has initiated a biannual update schedule with the release of Android 16 QPR2, marking a shift from its previous annual pattern. This update introduces a smarter notification organizer, AI-powered summaries, and customizable icon shapes, enhancing user control over device aesthetics. Innovations include improved dark theme applications and new APIs for developers, along with a focus on media and multi-display enhancements. As part of this release, lock screen widgets and HDR brightness controls are notably improved, offering more intuitive functionality. You've just heard the latest news. Thanks for listening. This is Haywaa.com.